6 months ago we started building something huge, but it's not like anything else we have built before. So today I'll tell you how we invested a lot of our time and money into building a Minecraft hosting company from scratch. To actually go over everything, we have to rewind to the start of this YouTube channel. Me and Robin really wanted to play Minecraft together, so we looked up a random hosting company and started playing there. Created the YouTube channel along the way for fun, and well, crazy stuff happened thanks to that. And somehow we now have over 1.8 million subscribers. But what didn't go so well along the way was our Minecraft server. As we built more and more farms, the server started lagging. We upgraded our server many times, changed hosting companies, but ultimately just stuck with one that seemed good enough. It was never perfect, but it worked enough to be playable. And it did so until we wanted to build a raid farm in our world. Long story short, the server got so laggy and we decided to abandon the server altogether. Just for fun and dramatic effect, I even threw out my old PC. But in reality, we just cancelled the server subscription, went to the store, bought new PC parts and built a PC just for hosting the server ourselves. Building a PC is easy, at least for us, but setting up a Minecraft server on your local network with backups and everything was way harder. After a long day of troubleshooting all kinds of errors, it hosted our world without any lag. But during all of this, we developed an idea that maybe we should create a hosting company, trying to fix all the problems we had along the way. So we started writing down all of the ideas we had, doing massive amounts of research around the Minecraft hosting topic, and assembling a team of developers that can help us build this. And surprise surprise, finding developers turned out to be way harder than we first thought. A month goes by and the site starts getting developed. We went through a lot of revisions, and by the start of March 2023, we felt like everything was ready to launch to our first customers. Don't get me wrong, there is still a lot of work ahead in the future, but I feel like part of the future development also depends on your feedback. People want and need different things. But then we did it! We officially launched Wise Hosting to our fans on Discord, got our first real orders and a lot of valuable feedback. There has been a lot of talk from us about making the best site and improving from every aspect. What about real results? So let me introduce you to Wise Hosting and what we worked on for the past 6 months. Our first priority is definitely the ease of purchase. On the homepage you can pick the package with enough memory, then select a location. We currently have 5. Singapore, Germany, London, Virginia and Oregon. Tip for you, it's important to choose the one you live the closest to get the lowest ping possible. And although these cover most of the world, we are still gonna open more locations in the near future. Going forward, we only host their server on up-to-date and powerful servers. I think that no farm should be lagging for anyone. You can choose more storage, backups and if you want to play on Minecraft Java or Bedrock Edition. On the next step, it is important to use the code SECRET and get 25% off on your first purchase from Wise Hosting. But remember, this code is just for the viewers of this video, so don't spread it around. Now it is only a matter of paying for it and your server will be up in 30 seconds. No more troubleshooting for a day to get the server up and running like I did. Now we can move to a place where you can see our development we are most proud of, our custom game panel. It is full of useful features and super easy to use. I mean, look at the installation of new versions or installing mods, for example. That is so easy, even my cat can do it. And we really did put a lot of work into this, so you don't need any skills to create the perfect server. And the best part is, we will keep on developing to make it even better in the future. If you ever got stuck or need help with anything, for example importing in your existing Minecraft world, then we have a large FAQ section with tutorials that is being constantly updated with more and more articles every single day. Or you can contact our support where actual people respond to you. Sorry ChatGPT, but people still like people. The feedback we can get from you guys will circle right back into the development of Wise Hosting. So if you really want us to change the Wise Hosting logo to pink, we can consider it. Let us know your feedback by checking out Wise Hosting and start your own Minecraft server using the code SECRET, of course. A fun fact to remind you, our YouTube channel got started because I simply hosted a server to play with Robin. But thanks for watching, and this was the story of how we built our own hosting company called Wise Hosting.